Tesla is planning for huge increase in Model Y production and more updates. Tesla, again, is here with something great, and that is about the Tesla planning for the huge increase in Model Y production. And there are some more updates as well. Hey everyone, and welcome to Tesla News, where we bring you the newest and best updates about Tesla and Elon Musk. For daily videos, please consider subscribing to our channel. We're going to present you with the most up-to-date Tesla news today. Tesla is already recalling Giga Shanghai workers, according to reports, following a 3-week shutdown. By the end of April, the Tesla Gigafactory plans to make 1,000 models each week, with 2 shift operations starting in July, and 4680 cells starting in the autumn. A mobile charging adapter will not be included with the Tesla orders placed after July 17th. Tesla has allegedly begun calling back its Gigafactory Shanghai employees as the electric vehicle manufacturer prepares to resume vehicle production on Tuesday. Previous sources had predicted that Giga Shanghai will reopen on Monday local time. Because China is a key supplier to a range of industries, its recent COVID shutdowns have had a severe impact on both its economy and its inhabitants. Plant closures associated with COVID have damaged not only the local economy, but also the global supply chain. Residents of Shanghai have claimed income losses, a lack of consistent food supply, and being separated from their families as a result of the city's recent lockdowns. Tesla is preparing to restart the Gigafactory in Shanghai, according to 2 people who spoke to Reuters. The goal was to return to the electric vehicle production facility to a single shift schedule on Monday, but due to difficulties with one supplier, the goal was apparently pushed back a day. According to prior reports, Tesla will add shifts in its operation as needed, following its planned single-shift restart. Tesla is not only aiming to re-enter the Chinese automotive market, but SAIC Motors, which collaborates with American automaker General Motors to build the Wuling Micro EV, has stated that it will stress test its own production resumption efforts on Monday local time. The vehicle production operations at the Gigafactory in Shanghai have been halted since the end of March, given that the Shanghai-based electric vehicle factory is expected to produce around 2,100 cars per day. The facility's 3-week shutdown would likely result in a significant drop in Tesla's vehicle production and delivery numbers for the second quarter of 2022. The production ramp at Giga Shanghai after it resumes operations is also expected to take some time. Because of the protracted shutdown of the Gigafactory in Shanghai, various baseless reports began to circulate early this month. For example, it was reported that Giga Shanghai will reopen its doors in mid-May. This rumor was eventually disproved by Tesla China, which stated that the information was untrue. Tesla China Vice President Grace Tao also revealed that the company is currently looking for clues to help them figure out where the erroneous information came from. Finally, as Tesla goes on to the next update, the commencement of Giga Shanghai would be a big relief. The Tesla FSD beta program has attracted over 100,000 drivers. At his TED lecture, Elon Musk stated that Tesla will achieve total self-driving this year, which he is more certain about this time. During his recent TED Talk interview, Chris Anderson asked Elon Musk about his latest timescale for Tesla to achieve full self-driving this year. The TED host emphasized that by attaining full self-driving, he meant that Tesla cars would be able to drive around most cities without human intervention, making them safer than a human driver. Yes, the car presently drives me about Austin without assistance most of the time. Musk responded, "We have over 100,000 people in our full self-driving beta program." Anderson dug further into the development of Tesla's self-driving program to figure out why Elon Musk's earlier 1 or 2 year timeframe for autonomous software didn't pan out. There were many false dawns in the self-driving program, Musk noted, and there were plenty of moments when Tesla thought it was making meaningful progress. He compared Tesla's progress to a log curve. While speaking about log curves, Elon Musk explained to Anderson, "For a while, Tesla's path with full self-driving seemed to be a series of log curves, where they seemed to be making progress but then struck a wall and had to restart. However, it appears that Tesla is on the correct track currently, and while these things may appear obvious in retrospect, in order to truly solve complete self-driving, you must first solve real-world AI." As a result of Musk's realization that the corporation required to solve real-world AI problems, Tesla Vision was adopted and further developed. Tesla Vision is the company's vision for self-driving cars that rely solely on cameras. Tesla's cars are supposed to function more like a human with eyes, with neural nets functioning as the brain and cameras acting as the eyes, culminating in a humanoid robot Optimus. When compared to a human driver, Elon Musk believes that Tesla's current design can increase the likelihood of vehicles avoiding an accident. He highlighted Tesla's accomplishments of high-quality unified vector space for complete self-driving capability for his belief in the new architecture, progressing to the next stage of the revision by the end of April. Tesla Giga Berlin hopes to produce 1,000 models per week, with 2 shifts starting in July and 4680 cells commencing in the autumn. The Tesla Giga Berlin is currently under construction, with an aim of producing 1,000 units per week by the end of April. Switching to 2 shifts in July will increase the factory's performance. In the fall of 2022, production of 4680 battery cells is planned to begin. Tesla began production at Giga Berlin at the end of March, and on March 22nd, the first 30 models were ceremoniously handed out. Hundreds of German-made automobiles have been shipped both domestically and to a number of European countries since then. Although no official numbers on the performance of the Giga Berlin are available at this time, information from unauthorized sources suggests that the plant produces roughly 350 models per week. Giga Berlin, on the other hand, should be able to generate around 1,000 units per week by the end of April. So if a manufacturer makes 1,000 models per week by the end of the year, the total number of vehicles produced in 2022 will be around 35,000. According to Walsh, Tesla only plans to build around 30,000 cars this year. However, this looks to be inaccurate. The company intends to start working in 2 shifts in July, according to the story. If we don't ignore the evidence, it's clear that increasing the number of shifts boosts productivity. Otherwise, why would we start working in 2 shifts in the first place? Anticipate a second shift to bring in a few hundred more models every week, but don't expect output to rise. Tesla planned to shut down manufacturing for 3 weeks in the fall, according to Walsh. This would surely have a negative impact on production numbers, but not substantially. It is stated that the pause will occur in connection with the re-equipment of manufacturing lines, as manufacturer of 4680 battery cells, and as a result, production of Model Y should commence around this time. This is really good news for investors and Tesla customers who are eagerly expecting their cars with the new battery type. At this time, the precise projected number of Model Y manufacturing in 2022 is unknown. However, according to the information provided, it is apparent that Giga Berlin will be able to build far more than 30,000 units by 2022. During the upcoming Q1 2022 earnings call, the manufacturer may provide an update, or at the very least, a hint about this. Orders ordered after April 17th will not include a mobile charging adapter. Tesla's decision to remove the normal inclusion of the mobile charging port has been confirmed by company personnel. Over the weekend, Tesla CEO Elon Musk revealed that the car maker would no longer provide a mobile charging adapter with all vehicle orders. Usage figures were extremely low, so it felt unnecessary. In an attempt to excuse the device's removal, Musk mentioned that we will be supplying more plug adapters with the mobile connector kit. Tesla owners and enthusiasts were outraged by the decision, and Musk and Tesla subsequently backtracked significantly, agreeing to lower the price of the mobile adapter from $400 to $200, as well as adding the option of having the connector sent with the car. So this was all. Add your thoughts in the comments section below. Also like, subscribe, and share our channel, and stay tuned with us till our next video. We will see you soon with our next video, so be with us and go watch Elon Musk just revealed the insane new $5,000 Tesla car video on your left to see some positive aspects about it as well. Or you can also watch Tesla Model Y 4680 battery will change everything on your right and learn more about the Tesla world. Thank you so much for watching.